Manila sa Kabuhita, libre lang ang maghandom. Sanggad ako ko, gaalalawas gid sang handom ang akon tagipusoon. Pero abi ko, ang handom ko, do parehas ang pagpanaog sang adlang magulpi lang madula. Gintunguhaan ko ang magsana gid ang akon kalibutan, bisan ano pa ini kadulong. Kaangay sa mga bituon, may oras gid para mag-inlat.
Agustin Caloy S. Cum laude.
Lord, kabudlay gid. Guys, kwilan ako. Virtual assistant ako. Kabay Lord nga bubuan gid ako sang inspirasyon ng mga tao nga makabulig palampuwa sa akon sa akong pag-eskwela. Kay balaan ko Lord, hindi gid di madali. Kag ginapabahala ko na tanan sa iyo.
Agustin Caloy S. Masters in Business Administration with high distinction.
Lord, who would have expected that nobody would be this successful? Subong isa na ko ka successful na marketing manager. And I get to give back to the community. And I get to help a lot of people, Lord. I thank you for that. I thank you for all of the blessings that you showered upon me and my families. Salamat, good Lord, sa tanan.
The world needs leaders. The College of Commerce is where they're made and shaped. Empowering minds, shaping leaders. Join our MPA and MBA programs and become the change you want to see. Shape yourself into a leader and empower your mind with COC's Graduate School. Enroll now here at the COC Graduate School, University of San Agustin, Iloilo.